Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write a CV for your Indeed account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up Indeed, guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page where you can search for jobs and so on. So guys, the first thing we need to do to be able to write and upload a CV is to log into your account. So we can do that by clicking the sign in button right here in the upper right corner, which is going to enable us to go ahead and log into your account. So you can go ahead and log into an account or create a new one if you do not have one already. And after logging in, you will be greeted by this homepage again, where you can now get started searching for a job. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to write and upload a CV. So guys, to be able to upload our CV to Indeed, all we have to do is go ahead and click our profile icon right here in the upper right corner, click on profile icon, and this will now open up this new menu, and you want to select the first option right here that says profile. Click on profile and it's going to go ahead and open up this new page with multiple options, and you'll see one of them is the button that says upload resume or build an Indeed resume. So guys, this is where we can upload and build our CV. So guys, the first thing you will need to do to be able to upload a resume is to have it written on your PC already. So if you do not know how to write a CV, guys, you can search for Google like something, how to write a CV. And after that, it's going to give you a lot of tips and examples on how to build your CV. So you can do that, guys, create it and save it on your computer. And after that, you can click the upload button right here and select it from your computer and upload it to Indeed. Or if you want to build your CV, you can go ahead and click the build an Indeed resume button, and it's going to take you to the next steps to build it right here on the website. But yeah, guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.